Hello, group members. It's good to have you. And so today topic is about fear. According to UK Online Up Dictionary, fear is a strong, uncontrollable, unpleasant emotion caused by actual or perceived danger or threat. There are many types of fear. For example, social phobia, which is a fear of being in a situation like a social situation, being rejected in a social situation. Claustrophobia is a fear of being in an enclosed space, and acrophobia is the fear of um, being the fear of height, and glossophobia is the fear of public speaking, and then we have gamophobia, which is a fear of marriage. Now, what causes excessive fear? It really varies. Many factors contribute to excessive fear, such as environmental factors or genetic, and also life experiences, traumatic life experiences. What can one do to overcome excessive fear? Again, it depends on the type of fear that a person has. And one thing that a person can do to actually overcome or reduce excessive fear is to try to live a healthy lifestyle, eating healthy, exercising, and having enough sleep. And also you can face your fear. If, for example, you have a fear of public speaking, you can do public presentation now and then, and you can eventually see that you are overcoming your fear of public speaking. And then also it's advisable that one can look for professional help. That's really good because these people are trained to help people to deal with psychological problems such as fear. um, and also we have to remember that fear is not a problem, but excessive fear is. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you tune in to the next video. Bye.